Hello friends, the question is like this. By using the properties of definite integral, evaluate the integral cos power 5x dx from the limits 0 to 2 pi. Okay friends, now we are going to see how we are going to solve this question. So first of all, what I do here is this, that I assume that the given definite integral is equal to I. And to solve this question, we would be using this property fx dx from 0 to 2a. So the property is like this: if we have been given a function whose limits are from 0 to 2a. Actually 2a is just suggestive. Okay, so it can also be applied for any limit. Okay, so this integral is equal to twice fx dx from 0 to a when f of 2a minus x is equal to fx. So what does this mean? That if we have any function fx and we replace this function for the value of x with 2a minus x, then we get the value of function itself. Then the integral is equal to twice fx dx from 0 to a, and it is equal to 0 when f of 2a minus x is equal to minus fx. Okay, I hope this property is quite clear. So we are going to apply this property here. We can apply this property for this given integral as cos power 5 of 2 pi minus x is equal to cos power 5x. How is this possible? This is because cos of 2 pi minus x is equal to cos x, and raised to the power of 5, this is going to give the positive value. So therefore cos power 5 of 2 pi minus x is equal to cos power 5 of x. So this gives f of 2a minus x is equal to fx. So we can apply this property for this given integral. Okay, so therefore I can be written as twice of cos power 5x dx from 0 to pi. Okay, now to solve further, we are going to apply the same property to this given definite integral. Okay, so applying the same property, we see that cos power 5 of pi minus x is equal to minus cos power 5x, because cos of pi minus x is equal to minus cos x. Okay, so this gives f of 2a minus x is equal to minus fx. So this integral would be equal to 0. Which integral? Cos power 5x dx from 0 to pi. So this will be equal to 0. So therefore I can be written as equal to 0. So this is our required answer. To watch more of these super videos and for the latest update, subscribe and like the videos on these YouTube channels HSK Shiksha and Maths Help by HSK. Thank you.